Okay, so let's have a look at the Leaving Certificate Higher Level Maths Paper 2 for 2018, and we're going to have a look at question 1. In a competition, Mary has a probability of 1 in 20 of winning, 1 in 10 of finishing in second place, and a probability of 1 over 4 of finishing in third place. If she wins the competition, she gets €9,000. If she comes second, she gets €7,000, and if she comes third, she gets €3,000. In all other cases, she gets nothing. Each participant in the competition must pay €2,000 to enter. Find the expected value of Mary's loss if she enters the competition. Okay, so we got to find her expected value first of all. So the expected value, E of x, if you like, is going to be the probability times the value she can win. So if she was to win, for example, it would be 1/20th of €9,000. If she was to come second, it would be 1/10th of €7,000, and if she was to come third, it would be 1/4 of €3,000. So if we work this out, let's see, 1/20th of 9,000 is 450. Here we get 700, and 1/4 of 3,000 is 750. Add these three up, we get €1,900. So our expected value then would be, expected winnings would be €1,900. Now, she does have to pay €2,000 just to enter, so she's going to lose €100 in the long term. So it would be 1,900, if you like, minus 2,000. So she's going to lose €100. So the answer there is expected loss, expected value. The expected value of Mary's loss is €100. Okay, so that's the first part of this question. Second part then says that each of the three prizes in the competition above is increased by the same amount, X euros, but the entry fee is unchanged, so she still has to pay €2,000. So if Mary wins the competition now, she would get €9,000 plus the increase, which is X. We've got to find the value for X, given that Mary now expects to break even. So in other words, her expected value this time, instead of being €1,900, would be €2,000. So in other words, what we've got to write down here is, if we take the 1/20th of what she would get if she won, which was 9,000 plus X now, if she was to come second, probability of coming second was 1/10th, and she could win €7,000 plus whatever X is. Probability of coming third was 1/4, and that was €3,000. So it would be €3,000 plus X now. So when we work all of this out, we should expect that she's going to break even, so this on average then should equal €2,000. So we have an equation here with X in it, we've just got to work it out. So let's see, we can we'll multiply out the brackets first. So here we're going to get 450 plus X over 20 plus 7,000 over 10. Well, let me just do that, it's easy enough. So it's actually going to be just 700 plus x over 10 plus a quarter of 3000, so that's 750, plus x over 4, and that's equal to 2000. Now what we can do here next is maybe multiply across by 40. We'll multiply everything by 40. So 450 by 40 is 18,000. We multiply this by 40, we'll get 2x. Multiply 700 by 40, we get 28,000. Multiply this by 40, we'll get 4x. 750 by 40 is 30,000. And x over 4 by 40 will give us 10x. 2000 then multiplied by 40 is 80,000. 80,000. So we just got to solve this. So let's see, we're going to add up all these numbers here first, and they will add up to 76,000. We can add up the x's. We've got 2x plus 4x plus 10x, so that's 16x. And on this side then we've still got 80,000. Now we'll just subtract 76,000 from both sides, and that will give us 4,000 on this side. And finally then we can divide by 16. So we divide both sides by 16, we get 250 euros. So this is our value for x. This is the amount that each prize was increased by. And that's it for question 1.